Hi guys, my name is Maria and today we'll discuss some new trading situations. 3 trading instruments that I think are super useful for you. Usually, traders hear some news and what do? They act like they do understand that what you have to do on such news. You hear bad news, so you have to sell, for example, Great Britain pound. There are some bad news from England because of Brexit, so this is again number one question and everyone will try to sell Great Britain pound. But if you are new to trade and you can hear this bad news and go to sell right now and lose your money, why? Because there is still a huge opportunity for Great Britain pound to go up. Even when there are some bad news, you have to include technical idea into your trading. Technical instruments are easy and you take your use as a help to your technical trading system. I will show you now some trading idea. As I told you, there are 3 trading instruments that I think are good to use, but one of them is currency pair and one of them will be stock. So go and watch what I see from the technical point of view, not from the highlights. Look here, for Great Britain pound, there is still no sell signal. There is some tendency from March 20 and prices going up all the time and they still didn't break this tendency. When they break the tendency on daily chart, this will be an opportunity for you to sell and wait for a lower price of Great Britain pound. As I told you today to my Telegram channel, here is some range that we got from last week and price is still being in this range. How far can they go up? Up to 1.28. You can see this tendency line that takes beginning from March 2020. So this is the tendency line and this is like a target where they can go up to. And this is also the maximum price of June of this year. This is also the minimum price that was some like level of support. This is the minimum price of March of this year. Remember at the beginning of March, the end of February, beginning of March, they gave you this price 128, jumped up. After that, they break this tendency and break this support. So this is a good level that market may test before they go down, and you got to be ready for that. Intraday, how can you use this information? For example, you got some bad news from Great Britain. What should you do? Should you sell? No, you shouldn't. You sell only under 125 area. Above 126.50 area, you buy up to 128 area. So yeah, if they give you a rebound from this 126.50 area on 4-hour chart, and for example, today is Monday that I make you this video and you watch my video on Tuesday or Wednesday, so if price is coming back under 126.50 area, you sell with the target 125. Under 125, you sell with target 124. If you get 125 break on daily chart, they will give you a break of tendency line, and this may become like the moment when they go a little bit down, down, down. But no matter how bad news are now in media, you still can see an opportunity for price to go up to 128 area. Okay, so don't pay attention, please, that news are bad. Follow technical idea, and above this area you still buy with the target 128. So that was the first instrument that I think is interesting and you should use it. Also, I think we should take, for example, actually there are a lot of instruments that I like to trade, but I will show you a couple of them. For example, Euro, Great Britain pound. Look here. To my Traders Club, I have Traders Club for only $5 a month. You go and join this Traders Club and you get twice a week video with a whole with all my ideas about the market. So for Traders Club, I showed this technical picture that here is the tendency line from the February. And it was a good support, it was a good tendency, but after that we got a break, retest, 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 and I told you that there is no buy signal yet. And price tried to go above 0.91 area. Even today's morning, I was like, oh my God, no, they don't want to go that far up. It's like the moment to sell, but they gave us a sell signal, yes, and price is going down right now. How far can we sell and when we sell? I'm not sure what is the day today when you watch this video, but if you watch this video and you see that price is being under 0.8990, under 0.90 area, you sell with the target 0.89 and 0.8750 area, okay? So yeah, there are like 3 levels that you can use if it's all good and your Great Britain pound will go down. So this is the area 0.85 that you can use as a target, but not for now. I don't go that far, and I don't wait this target. The maximum price that I'm waiting for is 0.8750 area, and if they go down here, so you can earn about like 250 pips from current price current price, and your stop loss, you don't have to put stop loss on daily chart. You can go on 1 hour chart and look here and get an extremum on 1 hour chart and put stop loss above extremum on 1 hour chart. For example, right now, is there any opportunity to sell and put short stop loss on 1 hour chart? No, there is not, because price is going down. It's going down really fast, and they may stop near this area, 0.90 area. After that, give you a correction and break from the second time. If they give you a correction right now, this will be good actually. So they give you a correction, begin to fall, and they will show you one more extremum that you can use as a moment to sell and put short stop loss. Technically, you can watch him right now. Technically, this level of support is really understandable. This was a good level on the middle side, on the middle part of July. So when they go under 0.9040 area, you sell with the target 0.8990 area right here. So under 0.9040 area, you sell right here to 0.8988 area. Okay. So I think this will be really useful, and you can put stop loss, short stop loss above 0.9040 area. Okay, and the third instrument I would like to share with you. Pfizer. So yeah, Pfizer is something that I think is interesting to trade right now. I hope you see this picture, because in my previous video for my Russian trading traders, there was a technical mistake and I couldn't show that chart for them. So yeah, you can watch right now that Pfizer has an opportunity to go up to 60 area. Let me show you why. Well, first of all, I pay attention to this instrument because United Kingdom published an idea that United Kingdom has signed agreements to buy 90 million doses of vaccines in development of drug makers, including Pfizer in cooperation and so on. So Pfizer and other companies, their BioNTech, plan to supply 30 million doses of their vaccine candidate this year and next year. So this is like a moment for us to wait for a good jump of the price, leap up, as you say it in English, leap up of the price. So I think it is okay to wait for price to go to area like 60 area. Why? Look here, we take the Fibonacci extension, minimum price of 1994, maximum price of 1998, 1999, and minimum price of 2008. So Fibonacci extension shows us, let me try to show you. Yes, Fibonacci extension tries to go to 57 area. If we take this way up, this one, from 2009 to 2018, this way up, we measure with Fibonacci levels. Above this zero area, above 4660 area, you for sure should buy with the target. Oh, come on. Yes, come on. Yes, you should buy with the target 59.45. So steps above 46 area are 51.50, 54.40 and 59.30. So those are levels that you should buy too. On daily chart, there is no buy signal right now, but what I'm expecting is for price to go above 39.60, 39.70 area, and after that you buy. So this is my idea. And if you go on if you go on Yahoo Finance, you can see that for Pfizer, here is a strong idea to buy and hold those stocks. A recommendation is that here is an uptrend you should buy, and the maximum target, the high target is 53 area. My target includes even 60 area, and average target is 40 area from current price 36.80. So yeah, I think that here is still a huge opportunity for price to go up, but only above 39.60 area you buy with the target 60. I think this is something that we should use based on the COVID situation in the world, because such companies as Pfizer will be, I think, will be the one who will win from this situation really soon. Okay, so thank you very much for your attention, guys. I hope you will write some ideas under my video, what else you are buying, what else we should pay attention to. For example, Bitcoin, or maybe you are buying Euro, or maybe you are buying some Microsoft stock or whatever. I would like to remember that this is my YouTube channel where I do discuss with traders what they want to and what is interesting for me, because I do trade all the time and I'm trying to find for myself, first of all, for myself trading situations. After that, I share it with my Russian trading club, with my English trading club, and here on YouTube I also share some technical ideas, how I analyze some currencies, how I analyze some stock, and what I do with the indexes. By the way, you can find some trading ideas for indexes for Dow Jones, for S&P in my trading club for this month, for this week. So all the ideas is something that I use for myself first of all, and after that I share. What you have to remember about that, you use technical idea, you use fundamental idea, but you have to know what kind of lot you use, so what kind of money, or how much money you use, taking into account your total amount of money. And of course, you have to put stop losses. You have to have particular target that you use, not something like you buy stock and you're waiting for a miracle. You should know what is the price. Like I just told you, in these three instruments, here is the price for Great Britain pound that I'm waiting for. Here is the price for Euro Great Britain pound, and here is the price for Pfizer that I'm waiting for. If they go above, I buy there. If they stay here, I don't act, or I will buy, for example, right now, and I will hold up to 40 area. After 40 area, I will buy some more stock and go further. So yeah, this is something that you have to be sure that this is your strategy and you act according to the market, and not because you just want to buy and hold. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much for your attention. I hope my videos are useful for you. So thumbs up, of course, join my channel, and please press the bell under the video so you don't miss my next video. I wish you profits, I wish us profits, and stay with me. See you later. Bye bye.